Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram messages not sending problem. So if your DMs are blocked for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or even just a few hours, follow along step by step to get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile and tap the 3-line menu at the top. Scroll down and tap Help. Then tap Report a Problem. Then tap Report Problem without shaking. If the Include Logs option appears, tap Include and Continue. Now you'll see a text box. Here's what you need to write. I can't send messages on my Instagram account, and it shows a 1-day or 2-day or 3-day restriction. I always follow Instagram's rules and community guidelines, so I believe this is an error. Please review and fix my messaging access. Make sure to write the exact number of days Instagram told you. This is important because it lets Instagram know your account might have been restricted by mistake. Once you've written your message, tap Submit. Next, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and update the app. Sometimes the problem is caused by a bug, and updating helps fix it. Now reopen Instagram and wait a little. If you didn't break any rules, this method usually fixes the issue quickly. But if you actually violated a guideline, you'll need to wait until the full time Instagram gave you is over. Finally, go back to your DM section and check your messages. If everything was just a bug, you should be able to send messages again. And that's it. This is the simplest and most effective way to fix the Instagram message sending issue. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.